Shakira Jonay, and welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair video. I'm going to be doing a quick, just a simple get ready with me. I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl this hair and how I get this look on body wave hair. In my hair right now, I have like 2.5. I didn't get to fit the whole 3 bundles on there, but I feel like it looks pretty full like this. I probably will add some layers just to give it like some, so it can, the curls can lay like, and it can go out more instead of down. But I do like it like this too. I didn't cut it or put any layers in it or anything, but yeah, so they sent me 3 bundles of 20-inch body wave, and I believe it's an 18-inch closure. If I'm not mistaken, it's an 18-inch closure, but like I said, I'll put it in the video or in the description box. A little bit more info, like the closure, it didn't come plucked, so I had to pluck it myself. This is about how much hair that I plucked, and yeah, so this is how the hairline turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. I plucked it pretty well. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the Jonay gang. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I used my flat iron curls. If you're not comfortable using, you know, a flat iron, you can always do wand curls, but I always end up burning my hand when I do wand curls. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the Jonay gang. I got a lot of entertaining videos coming out for you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Shakira Jonay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.